Vikas Dubey, an Indian history sheeter, gangster, then turned politician, was encountered on 10th of July. After his encounter, people are having mixed opinion. People from his village, including his family members, are satisfied from this encounter, but the oppositions are raising some questions. तो आइए जानने की कोशिश करते हैं कि क्या ये सच में रियल एनकाउंटर है या बस एक poorly scripted story. According to the police official, Vikas Dubey was killed in an encounter that was broke out after a police vehicle carrying Vikas Dubey from Ujjain to Kanpur met with an accident and the gangster tried to escape. Vikas Dubey was shot at and was officially being declared dead. क्या सच में ये इतना ही सिंपल है? From the sequence of events that led to Vikas killing, many questions remain unanswered. These are: according to the officials, Vikas Dubey snatched the weapon from police when he tried to escape. तो इसका यह मतलब है कि यूपी पुलिस किसी भी गैंगस्टर को बिना किसी चेन या हैंडकफ के ही ट्रेवल कराती है. A day before, Vikas Dubey, close friend Prabhat Mishra was killed in the same way as him. Like Mishra snatched the pistol of a police official and fired it, after which he was killed in retaliatory firing. तो क्या इसका यह मतलब है कि पुलिस अपने वेपन को एक मामूली चेन की तरह रखती है जिसे कोई भी कभी भी आकर छीन सकता है? A day before his encounter, he was arrested from Mahakal temple at Ujjain. At the time of arrest, he was yelling, This act just hinted that Dubey surrendered before the police without much resistance. एक मास्टरमाइंड गैंगस्टर जिस पर 60 से ज्यादा क्रिमिनल केसेस हों, वो सरेंडर करने के बाद सिर्फ एक पिस्टल के सहारे अकेले भागने की कोशिश करेगा? विश्वास नहीं होता. Media vehicle had been following the high-profile case as the criminal was being transferred to UP police a week after the Kanpur encounter. Interestingly, they were all stopped at a toll plaza just 2 kilometers away from the scene of dramatic encounter. क्या यह सिर्फ एक नॉर्मल सिक्योरिटी चेक था या इस ड्रामे में मीडिया का कोई रूल डिसाइड नहीं हुआ था, इसलिए उनको पीछे ही रोक दिया गया? Early on Thursday, UPSTF flew from Lucknow to Indore in a chartered flight to take the custody of Vikas Dubey. So why was he taken by road instead of the chartered flight? शायद पुलिस विकास दुबे को VIP सर्विस नहीं देना चाहती थी. That's why they prefer to travel by road. ऐसे बहुत से सवाल हैं जो इस एनकाउंटर को फेक प्रूफ कर रहे हैं. But according to police officials, this is a real encounter. So nothing remains in our hand. For 1 minute, if we assume this encounter to be a fake, so what is the reason behind this encounter? If we look from the viewpoint of the opposition, it is very clear that the government was trying to hide its secret connection with Vikas Dubey. Because अगर इन्वेस्टिगेशन होती तो विकास दुबे का सारा पॉलिटिकल कनेक्शन जनता के सामने आ जाता और उसके बाद आप सबको ही पता है कि आगे क्या होता. So if this is the reality, then the police are still trustworthy or not? Share your views in the comment section.
If you like this video, please like and share it. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe this channel.